This is the code in action video for Chapter 7. In Chapter 7, we implemented routing in our blog application. In the first code example of Chapter 7, we implemented various pages in our blog application. Specifically, we implemented a component for the home page and a component for the post page. Right now, we can see that the post page for the React hooks post is getting rendered. And we can also see that the request is not to get posts anymore, but to specifically get the React hooks post. We can now also change the post page here to the home page component. And we also have to import the home page component here. And now if we save and look at the page, you can see that now the home page gets rendered, which means that we are now requesting all posts again. In the second code example of Chapter 7, we implemented routing using Navi. The Navi router allows us to define separate routes for separate components. So we had the main route, which is just slash or the main page, has the home page component. We also added a link to view the full post to each post component. So now we can click on the link, and as you can see, it takes us to /view/ID of the post, which is React fragments here. And then we can see now the post page is getting rendered again. However, now we also added a go back button, which takes us back to the main page. And of course, the links work for each of the posts. Each of the posts has a separate page. In the third code example of Chapter 7, we implemented dynamic routing using hooks. Specifically, we implemented a hook that will redirect us to a post that we just created. So when we create a new post, we will be automatically redirected to its specific post page. First of all, we have to log in, and then once we're logged in, we can create a new post. And once we click the create button, it will create the new post and redirect us to the page of the new post. As you can see, the post is here, and we can also go back and we can see the post in the post list on the home page. Another routing hook that we used is the use current route hook, which, as you can see, when we go to a post page, in the footer we will have the link to the current page. So in this case, we have the link to the current post. Or if we go to the main page, we have just / the link to the main page.